Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Kevin Munoz, and today I'm going to talk about video games and reply some questions on topic. All right, the first question is, some people say that video games are a waste of time. Do you agree or disagree? In my case, that depends, since playing video games has its pros and cons. One advantage of playing video games is that people can learn a new language, in this case, English. Because usually most of video games are in English, and thus people can learn expressions, phrases, and new vocabulary in English in order to improve their English skills. Also, it is a great beneficial strategy to improve language skills. On the other hand, one disadvantage would be that most of people spend a lot of time in front of the screen, and that could affect to their eyesight and health. And for that reason, it is recommended that people plan and organize their time for other activities. All right, the next question is, how do you think video games affect students? In my opinion, playing video games for a long time could become an addiction and a bad habit. Also, there are a lot of video games that are very violent, and that could affect the behavior of the students. For that reason, parents should control their children and check what kind of video games they play. Also, spending many hours in front of the screen could affect students' personal and academic performance. And the last question is, do you believe people play video games as a way of escaping from problems or bad feelings? I think so, because some people play video games in order to escape from the reality and feel good. And also, it is a good therapy to clear the mind and learn new skills. Through video games, people can be more competitive and creative. All right. For example, in my case, I don't like playing video games because I would rather work out than play video games because it is a good therapy to clear the mind and to be my best version of myself. Finally, in conclusion, playing video games has its advantage and disadvantage. However, when a person plays video games in a correct way, it will help them to learn new knowledge, skills, phrases, and also it will help them to be more creative and competitive. Thanks a lot for your attention, for your time. See you next time. Goodbye. Thanks.